Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir. Sir, can we
Yeah,
discuss the 20 questions?
link has been disabled actually. Many of you were texting me regarding the joining. That's why it was late. Just a minute, let your friends join. We'll start.
Sir, I'm not saying about that. Can you discuss? You give extra homework, right, sir? 20 sums.
How,
Can
how many
you
how many of you submitted that? I can't
submit?
discuss everything. If we discuss everything, what will you do, Hussein?
Sir, I submitted, sir, 20 questions. I have two doubts that, sir.
Yes, that is what doubts we can discuss. Many of you didn't submit it. Once everyone submitted, then we can go for that.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
You people can ask your doubts now. Everyone should, ask your doubts.
Okay, sir.
How many of you submitted? Raise your hands.
Sir, I thought the due is till day after tomorrow, 10 o'clock p.m.
No, Bargo, please. I'm sorry. No, who said that? Can you see the group, WhatsApp group messages? I have been keep posting the message. Don't give me excuses here, please.
Sir, like I checked the assignment, sir.
No. I'm sorry.
Sure.
You didn't finish that. Please accept your mistake.
Okay, sir, I accept my mistake, sir.
I texted multiple times in group how to go, where is uploaded, how to approach that, when to submit. I just posted the names of students who submitted the worksheets.
Sir, I'm done with the first 20 questions. I'll just send it by today evening.
No, actually, the deadline was yesterday. The deadline was yesterday 10 p.m. But I don't know. Many of you are asking me the permission to submit by today. I don't know why. Actually, the reason behind giving the worksheet is, so if you give worksheet, you could get more problems. So if you go for the test, there will not be multiple. There will be easy questions. So that already we had one test on quadrilaterals. So that's why. So everyone should solve the questions. Whatever we have discussed, from that you have to solve that. Don't solve.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, and also I had Fiji exam, sir, so I didn't solve it.
It takes hardly 1.5 hour, 1 hour to 1.5 hour. So it was Sunday yesterday.
6 hours, sir. Like 3 hours.
There will be 6 hours,
Sir,
sir.
3 hours. It's a 6 hours exam.
Yeah.
Morning 9 to 12, sir, and afternoon 2 to 5, sir.
अरे advance
Sir,
का
like morning 10 to 1 and
कौन दे रहा होगा?
evening 3 to 6.
Yes.
Sorry.
Sir, the exam is from morning 10 to 1 and evening 3 to 6.
Yes, sir. I had on 17th on yesterday.
And we have to log in 1 hour before.
See, now today is the last day to everyone. Today by 10 o'clock, everyone should submit. I'm not going to accept anyone's responses after this. Why? Because everyone should submit me before 10 p.m. today. Okay?
Sir, I can't.
Is that clear with everyone?
No, sir, I can't submit.
Why?
Sir, because my exam just started, like first term.
Sorry?
Sir, first term exams have like it is going to start, sir. So I'm preparing for that.
Okay, when you're going to finish your exam?
Sir, on 2nd November.
Then you solve,
Sir,
10
but it
questions.
is, sir,
Solve 10 questions.
okay, sir.
Partially you solve, not at a time, partially. So day by day, like 5 problems today, tomorrow 5 problems, every day
Sir,
5
could you,
problems.
sir?
Okay, sir.
Sujay, can you please wait for a minute?
Yeah, sir, sorry.
Kaji, you understood? Every day 5
Yes.
problems.
Okay, sir.
Not key, Bhargav, not key. I'm telling everyone, guys, everyone should write the solutions, not key. If you're writing key, I'm not going to accept that, please. Everyone should write with the answers. Solutions you need to submit. not only the key.
Okay, sir.
If I ask you for the
Okay, sir.
key, many of you, what they do is they simply Google it and submit it. I know that. You can't do that. Many of
Sir,
you
I don't
simply
Google,
Google it
sir.
and just, simply write the answer. Yeah, Inky, pinky, ponky, ABCD. Chalo, enough. Finished. So that is what
Sir,
they do
don't do
actually.
those.
I don't want to accept that. I need a solution from everyone. Okay. Hope you understand.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in
Yes, sir.
sir, can I speak?
Yes.
Sir, in a quadrilateral chapter, I have a doubt. The midpoint theorem, I am not able to get it, sir. Once, can you explain about it?
Midpoint theorem, you don't have anything to understand. I'll explain you.
Sir, can I speak?
Yes.
Sir, can you explain the chapter straight line graph because I have exam day after tomorrow, half term exam.
Okay, I'll explain you. What do you want me to explain? Can you please tell me?
So mainly the formulas like the midpoint, finding the gradient, all of that you can just tell me. I mean, revise me, sir.
Yeah, finding the gradient is m is equal to tan theta. Very simple. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That's what you are talking about.
Yes, sir. Those and these formulas as well, where you have to take the root and put them in brackets.
Acha, distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole
Yeah,
square.
sir. Yeah.
Cool, I'll explain you, not an issue.
Sir, could you do it tomorrow because I have a maths exam. My first exam is maths.
Definitely, tomorrow we are going to have an extra class.
Okay, sir.
Morning, is it fine with everyone?
Yeah, sir. For me, it's fine morning.
So, tomorrow you have exam, tomorrow.
Sir, for me, no,
No, sir.
not fine.
For me on Wednesday, sir. Wednesday, my first exam is maths.
Sir,
1 second, I'm
tomorrow
talking,
is-
Sujay, no one should interrupt. I told multiple times when I'm talking to someone, please, if you talk in between, this is not offline. This is online. If you talk in between, what happens is like, I can't understand at a time. So whatever, whenever you are discussing, it should be proper streamline. It should be clear cut, conversation between one and one to one. So I'll give a chance to each and every one of you. Please do not be hurry. If you talk in between, I can't hear it properly. So I may not deliver you I may not justice for that 100%. If I listen Sujay's, statements, I could understand that, oh, this is what we can do for Sujay. After that, Srain is talking means, yes, this is what we can do for Sujay. After the Kaji is talking means, yes, this is what we can do for Kaji. If after that, some XYZ student is talking, so that what best we can do. That's what I can think about. If you're talking at a time, please kindly understand this. It is not for me alone. As a human being, no one can understand if anyone talking in between. Hope you understand. We are humans, we are not machines. I can't record everyone's voice at a time in my ears, isn't it? I hope you understand. I can hear, but I may not justice that. I can hear, if you at a time you are talking, means I can hear multiple people voices, but that is not going to be the point here, right? So the problem is the content is what we need clear cut information from you, and have to do 100% for that. For that, I need to listen what exactly your doubt is all about. Yes or no? Is that clear with everyone? Yes or no? I need a response from everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sujay, please go ahead.
So after that, straight line graph, only that, sir. That's it.
Okay. So anything else apart from that?
So, and if possible, can you also cover graphs in practical situations?
Graphs in the regard of a coordinate geometry, you mean plotting the points?
No, sir. Not only, yeah, sir. Kind of. You have to draw triangles and all that on the graph.
On the graph, you have to draw the triangles. Basically drawing the triangles on a graph is all about, first you need to know how to plot those coordinates. This is for everyone, guys. This is for everyone, not only Sujay. Everyone should listen. This is Sujay's doubts. I'll not listen this. It shouldn't be like that. Everyone should listen this. Look at this here. Sujay, I'll explain you tomorrow as well. Look at this. I'm telling you, first, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Look at this. He'll be giving you point A, point B, and point C. You have to draw somewhere like this. You have to plot the points and just join all those points, make a triangle on the graph. This is what you're talking about?
Yes, sir. Kind of. Yes.
Okay, not an issue. You give me the questions tomorrow. You be ready with your questions.
Yeah,
Better
sir,
you
sure.
post your doubts, post your questions in Wise app so that we can take and solve that. Tomorrow everyone will be having extra class, guys. Tomorrow we'll be having everyone. Everyone will gain the knowledge. If possible, try everyone joining the class.
So mainly straight line graph is my doubt. I'm fine with graphs in practical situation.
Okay, we'll go with that. Yes, Shreyan. I hope you just told me everything, Sujay. Anything else you want me to tell apart from
No,
this?
sir, that's it. That's it.
Cool, cool. Thank you. So, Shreyan, tell me, Shreyan.
Sir, sir, may I ask you a doubt?
Yes.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, Bhargav, please go ahead. Sujay, Shreyan is not responding. Please, you ask your doubt. After that, he will ask. Tell me.
Sir, I understood everything in quadratic equation, except for drawing the parabola. Like how should we
Quadratic
draw?
equations?
Yes, sir.
You mean quadrilaterals or quadratic equations?
Quadratic equations, sir.
Okay, quadratic equations. You want me to teach that once again?
So I just want to know how to draw the parabola.
How to draw?
The parabola.
Yes, parabola is all about. I'll tell you tomorrow. Look at this. A parabola. Look at drawing like this. Parabola can be like this. Parabola can be like this.
So minimum, how many solutions do we need?
I'll
That's
tell
what's
you.
my
I
question.
tomorrow. Everything we'll discuss. Now it is for everyone. It may not be. It may not. Everyone's doubt. Not an issue. Tomorrow will be. See, tomorrow we'll be having doubt session. I'll be taking an extra class. Okay. So morning at what time you want me to take? Morning fully. I'm fully.
Sir, morning, I'm not free, sir.
So
be
morning for me, anytime is
honest.
fine.
The morning, we have classes.
So tomorrow I have a holiday, so no problem.
Yes, tomorrow
sir.
is a government holiday, I think.
Yeah, tomorrow's a government holiday.
But I did not go. I did not go.
Yes, Shreyan, tell me which. If you have doubt, you can. If you have doubt, you can join. That is down session only.
No. Sir, one doubt, sir, clarify now what is at least.
Yeah, I'll clarify it. I'll clarify. What about others? Those who want extra class, I know I'll be posting the name of the children who needs to join that. Okay. Taruni, is Taruni here? Is Taruni is here? She's not here. Okay. Yes. Yes, Kaji. Tell me. Bhargav will discuss it tomorrow. Basically, the parabola and
Yes,
all
sir.
it's not in yours. You will be learning in 11th standard conic sections. So is it in your syllabus now?
So it's not in the syllabus, sir, but I want to learn it because I wouldn't learn maths in 11th and 12th class, sir.
Acha, yes, very good. That is a chapter name called conic sections. You'll be learning in 11th. So where you will be learning parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay. So these are the things. Ellipse, you will be learning all this stuff. Okay.
Sir,
So
I
the-
won't learn in 11th class, sir, maths because I'm taking BIPC. So I want to learn all the maths now in 9th and 10th.
So you are taking BIPC. Why?
Sir, I want to become a doctor, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Chalo, we'll discuss it. Yes, Kaji, tell me.
So nothing happened.
You was talking.
No, sir, nothing. I was just telling that tomorrow is my holiday of offline school because I'm going offline school. So tomorrow some Eid is there, so it's holiday for me.
Yeah, tomorrow Eid, so it will be holiday. What about others?
It's a holiday for me, sir.
Yes, tomorrow, guys, we are going to discuss some interesting topics. So we can know those who are interested can join, and definitely
So
those who
can you take extended extra class, extended one?
extended one. I didn't understand.
So generally you take for like 50 minutes or 1 hour, right? Can you take it like 1.5 an hour, something like that?
I don't think so. I'll be having I'll be having other classes. So maximum I could take 1 hour. With 1 hour is more than enough to explain that. You like 15 to 20 minutes is enough.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it need
Okay,
not
sir.
to worry. I'll explain each and everything. That's my responsibility. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. But because I found a slot in the morning, that's why I'm just asking. But because I have other classes as well, that's why I found a slot in the morning. That's what the reason I'm just asking you to join in the morning. Probably I hope everyone joins tomorrow. And timing, I'll tell you tomorrow timings. Is it fine to join at 12 to 1 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
12 to 1. Is it fine with everyone? Tomorrow extra class.
Yes, sir,
Tomorrow
sure.
extra class 12 to 1.
Sir, my parents would kill me if I don't eat lunch at the in the perfect timings.
So then when do you want to join? 11 o'clock, 11 to 12, fine?
That's okay, sir, if it's fine with everyone.
Sir,
It's
we
fine, sir.
Yes, tell me.
sir, I
Toshnika.
can put it from 10 to 11 also, right, sir?
10 to 11, I'll be quite busy. Why, Ananya?
Just asking, sir. I mean, if that time is feasible for everybody, then we can put it then also, right?
Yeah, we can put it, but I have some other work, that's why.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, then no problem.
11 to 12 is fine, I think, with everyone. Bhargav,
Yes, sir, 11
Yes,
to 12 is fine.
11 to 12, we'll go ahead. Just be ready with your
Yes, sir.
doubts, everyone, and we are going to discuss a few interesting topics as well. Bhargav, I understood your doubt. We are not going, parabolas and all, and drawing the curves. So when the graph will be upward, when the graph will be downwards, when the graph will be left side, when the graph will be right hand side, it will be we'll be discussing all this stuff. Very interesting. This topic will be covered in 10th standard as well. So everyone should join tomorrow. And those who have school, please you can go ahead. They can watch your I don't think so. You have school, but don't lie at me. I can know that. I can.
Sir, I did not got any message. Got from sir. If you want, I will show the proof.
Tomorrow is
No,
a
no, no.
holiday.
Yes, yes. I'm not asking. I'm not saying you, Sren. I'm saying if anyone lying at me, I can call your parent and talk to you.
Ah, yes.
I'm not saying yes.
Means I did not got message, sir.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
I got message means I will join tomorrow, sir. Pakka. Or
Yeah,
else I
yeah.
will go with recordings.
Yeah. No problem. I'm not saying you. I'm saying that by
Means I
looking at
should
you.
also be clarity, no, sir. I
Yeah,
should give
exactly,
clarity.
exactly. You are right, Sren. You are right. By looking at you, many of you, many like other people also might give a reason, sir. We have a school. That shouldn't happen. Yeah, 1 or 2 cases might be there, but not everyone will be having school tomorrow. It's a government holiday. I know that. That's what the reason I'm telling you. Tomorrow, everyone must join. Try to join each and everyone. All right. Yes. 11 to 12. I told. I repeat. Tomorrow's class would be from 11 to 12.
Sir, but I'm not free at 11 to 12.
Then what time you are free?
So can you do it at like 3 to 4?
I'll be having other classes. 3 to 5.
Sir, I have only till 11 to 11:30 time. Only half an hour.
Sir,
Yes,
keep
yes,
it
So-
10:30 to
so,
11:30.
So, sir,
Look at
sir,
it.
you can keep at 10:30 to 11:30 then.
10:30. Okay, 10:30 to 11:30. How
Sir, what
many are?
about
Sir, but 10 to
Sir,
11,
I can't-
you might have some busy stuff, right, sir?
Yeah, 10 to 11 I have, but I'm just preponing my work. I'm
Sir,
just
available
postponing my work half an hour. That's why till 10:30 I can. After 10:30 I can take. I can just adjust.
Sir, so can you take after 12 o'clock?
Who
No,
is
sir,
it?
it's our lunch time.
Parth Ahuja.
Yeah, sir, after like 2 o'clock to 3 or something like that.
Sir is busy.
So yes, I'll be busy. It seems I'll be having class. It seems. So Parth Ahuja, like, do you have any other stuff? I mean, any other work?
Sir, I can come at this time, I guess, 10:30 to 11:30.
Yeah, please. Why? Because morning would be like good actually. Afternoon again it will be drowsy to everyone. You guys might not listen the class properly. That is also one thing we can put it up. Afternoon, we can't take it. Morning would be fine actually. 10:30 to 11:30 we can make it out. But okay, fine. 10:30 to 11:30 everyone must join. Okay, don't forget. Is it
Sir,
fine?
we have doubt
Yes,
clarification
sir.
session.
It will be a doubt clarification. Doubt clarification. Now also I'm going to doubt clarification and extra topics if you want me to discuss extra topics. Like Sujay, he has exam. So I need to I must teach his doubt actually. I must teach him. Why? Because he has exam. That topic is going to come for his exam. So that kind of topic. And he's asking for quadratic equations, parabola graphs. So that kind of interesting topic which you are going to learn next year, and you guys learning in advance. That would be better. That would be a great helpful to you all. So that kind of topics. Yes, Ananya, tell me.
So nothing, sir. If it's a doubt clarification session, I will be ready with my doubts. That's why.
Exactly. You can be ready with your doubts. I'm telling everyone, right? Everyone, please be ready with your doubts so that we can go ahead. Okay.
Then my doubt is the midpoint.
Midpoint theorem. We discussed midpoint theorem. Look at this here. Simple ga. Wait. Guys, how?
Sir, your voice is not, your voice is like, it's a little bit reduced.
Little bit reduced.
So
So
now
now
it's
it's
fine,
clear.
sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes. So basically midpoint theorem. What is the midpoint theorem says to us? Look at it. If you take any triangle, let's say that triangle. Strain. Listen to me carefully. A, this is B,
Yeah.
ABC triangle. Okay. So look at this a midpoint theorem I'm talking about. Midpoint. Let's say कुछ भी ले लो इधर. D is a midpoint of AB and E is a midpoint of, or you say that X is a midpoint of AB, Y is a midpoint of AC. Okay. So what midpoint theorem says here? See here, this is a line segment which is joining the midpoints of the sides AB and AC. This is a line segment which joins the midpoints of side AB and side AC.
Side B, AC.
Yes or no? That line segment in a triangle. Which one? XY line segment in a triangle is said to be. Is what? It will be parallel to what? BC. This will be said to be, this will be, XY will be parallel to BC.
Yeah.
Okay. And also half of the length of the third side. What it says? Ikkada xy will be half, xy will be parallel to the third side. What is the third side here? BC. Yes or no?
Yeah.
XY will be parallel to BC and also XY will be half of this BC. That is what midpoint theorem says us. Is that clear?
Okay. Okay, sir.
ఇదే ఇక్కడ చెప్పేది ఏంటిది. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా తీసుకో సంథింగ్, ఏదైనా ట్రయాంగిల్, యు టేక్ ఎనీ ట్రయాంగిల్ హియర్. ఓకే, A, B, C, D, E. Now D is a midpoint. D is a line segment which joins the midpoints of the AB and AC. DE will be parallel
And
to
AC.
now BC. DE will be parallel to BC and
Parallel to
DE,
BC and half of the length of third side.
yes, DE will be what? Half of the BC. This is what
BC.
the midpoint theorem says here. Clear?
Sir means if in our school exam, if they ask the 5 marks question about this midpoint theorem, how to prove at that time, sir?
Prove and all we learned, right? Prove, we just go through your class notes. You might be having that.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
proof. I told you proof. How can you prove? We extended. Look at this. I told you the proof. If we extend this E to, we extended this one. Check your class. So look at this here. We extended yes
Okay.
till F, and we joined this F and C here. It makes some angle over here. We used congruence properties. Look at this angle. Okay, this angle here, this angle, vertically opposite angles here. As I told you that here, EC will be what? EC will be equal to AE.
A.
This will be equal to this. Yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Sir, if you talk about which triangles, if I talk about triangle, this one, this upper triangle, and this triangle. Yes or no?
So how do you know that EC equal to AE?
Sorry.
So how do you know that?
Midpoint of AC.
There's a midpoint, right? I'm
Okay,
talking about
understood, sir. Understood.
I'm talking about midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను సుజయ్. Midpoint means exactly middle lo untadi kada.
Yes,
It will
sir.
be in the middle, right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
That is what the reason. Okay. So if I talk about triangle ADE and triangle ECF, if I talk about this triangle and this triangle, from these two triangles, I told you what are the vertical opposite angles are what? E. What are the vertical opposite angles?
AC AE is equal to, sorry,
AED will be equal to what?
BC.
ఈ రెండు
BC.
వర్టికల్ కదా ఇక్కడ ఇది
Yes, sir. FEC. Angle FEC. Sir.
CEF AED కదా Shreyan. Look at this.
Yeah, sir.
How I'm drawing, look at this. Let me tell you one point here. Look at this carefully. ఇక్కడ I'm talking about this angle AED and CEF. అవునా కదా? CEF, AED and CEF,
Yes,
both
sir.
will be vertical opposite angles. Yes or no? Now look at this here. If I, after this, listen to me carefully. ఇక్కడ angle A and C will be what? If I take these two lines are parallel lines, this is my transversal line. What is this C and A? Alternate angles, yes or no? This A, observe. You need to observe here. Straight. Here, what is C and what is A here? Angle A and angle C, what alternate angles or not? If I, this is these two are parallel lines. This one and this one. This is a transversal line. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Strain, are you here?
Shreyan is there, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm there, sir.
Look at this. Here, angle DAE will be equal to triangle ECF.
Yeah.
DAE and ECF. Imagine here, why these two are equal here, since they are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. These are what? Vertically opposite angles. I'm teaching you roughly. Already we have discussed this 2 times, not only 1 time. 2 times we have discussed this. Okay. Now by look at this here. What I got here? Angle, side angle. Can I use ASA congruency? Angle, side, congruence by using the angle side angle. Can I say C E, not C E, C F E, C F E, CFE will be equal to what? Similar to triangle ADE by congruency by using angle side
Angle
angle,
side.
angle side angle. Yes or no? Look at this here. CFE, angle side angle side angle, angle side angle. Let me erase it. Angle side angle. Be careful. All right, from that these two triangles will be equal. So if these two triangles are equal by using congruence property which called ASA, and here angle F, angle F will be equal to what? Angle D, and angle C will be equal to what? Angle A, alternate angles.
Yes, CE is equal to AE.
And I could say here CF will be what? CF entity. CF will be equal to what? BD, not AD.
AD.
CF,
BD,
sorry,
yeah.
CF will be
Okay.
parallel to
Yeah, sir, BD.
CF will be parallel to BD.
Yes,
CF will
yes,
be
yes,
parallel
sir.
to BD. Yes or no? CF will be parallel to. Now can I
Parallel
say,
to BD.
if I BD and AB. So now I could say that CF is equal to AD by ASA we are using here. By using angle side, CF will be equal to AD, right? As per ASA rule. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now here CF will be parallel to AD, and CF also will be parallel to AB as I told you now. ఇక్కడ డయాగ్రాము కొంచెం clumsy అయింది. Look at this. So look at it. Yes, CF will be again parallel to AD or not?
Yes, sir.
Of course, yes. And CF will be parallel to AD as well as BD. Since I know that CF will be equal to AD, so I can substitute there and I could get exactly DE will be half of the BC. Now you prove it after this. Very simple. Look at this here. What I know here. CF clearly చూడండి. Everyone look at this clearly. CF will be parallel to AB. And also CF will be parallel to what? BD. Yes or no? And we know that CF will be equal to what? BD. Yes or no? Look at this here.
Yes, sir.
CF will be equal to BD, and we know that, we also know that what? Here AD is equal to BD. Since AB, D is a midpoint. AD is equal to BD or not? D is a midpoint. AD is equal to BD or not? Yes or no? People,
Yes, sir.
look at this. Here A, D, E, F, B, C. Now look at this clearly. D is midpoint. So AD will be equal to BD now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. CF is equal to BD. Why I wrote CF is equal to BD here? Why? Because
Alternative interior. No. Vertical opposite angles.
vertically opposite angles.
Uh.
అరే
No, sir. Parallel, sir. Parallel.
ఇక్కడ CF మనకి ఏం తెలుసు క్లియర్ గా? CF అనేది CF is parallel to BD as well as AB, right? So CF will be what here? CF will be equal to BD కదా?
Yes, sir.
Why BD? Tell me now, sir. CF is equal to AD, you told. Now CF is equal to AD is equal to, we know that, right? AD is equal to BD or not?
Yes, sir. It's
Why? Because it's a midpoint, man. AD is equal to BD. Yes or no? Yes. So now
yes, sir.
in plus of AD I quoted BD. So CF is equal to BD here. Huh. So now, and also we know that what here BC will be parallel to whom? DF or DE. Do you agree with my point? Now, and guys, look at this here. I know that DF is equal to what here? DF is equal to what?
BC.
BC. E mottamu will be this a parallelogram kind of thing, right? So opposite sides will be equal in a parallelogram. So DF is equal to what? BC. I hope it is clear. So now BC is parallel to what? And BC is parallel to DF and BC is parallel to DE as well. Yes or no? Clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Huh. Now can I say that? Here DE straight away I can say that clearly now it's looking over there. DE will be half of the BC here. Yes or no? You understand
Yes,
or
sir.
not? E is a midpoint like E and the midpoint. E midpoint जैसा है इधर. देखो BC and DF, right? BC and DF both are equal here. And E is a midpoint. So
Yes, sir.
E is a midpoint means this DF, this chotu part will be half of this BC. Common sense. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How simple it is.
Yes, sir.
देखो
D plus EF is equal to BC.
exactly.
And then EF is equal to D.
Exactly.
So 2D is equal to half BC. That's all.
Exactly. We can write like that as well. So you can write if you don't understand. So DEF is equal to DE plus EF. Yes or no? DF is equal to DE plus EF. Yes or no? Huh.
Yes, sir.
Now what can I write here? I need DE. Hello.
Yes.
I need D.
Yes, sir.
I need D here, right? We need to prove that D is half of that. I think people are waiting. Someone is calling me. 1 second. Whose number is this? Someone is calling. Who is that? Yes, I think someone is calling. No problem. Look at this. Guys, look at this. How many have you understood this here? DF is equal to what? DE plus EF. So DE will be half of the BC and also DE will be parallel to BC. That is what midpoint theorem says to us. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shayan, done.
Yes.
Here, what parallelogram I have? Parallelogram called BCFD. From the BCFD parallelogram.
Yes.
BCFD parallelogram. From this parallelogram, I could say that BC is equal to DF and DE is a I mean, E is the midpoint of DF, so D will be half of the BC. Any doubts? Next. Yes or no? Here DF is equal DE plus EF, I told you. Why?
Yes,
Here
sir.
E is the midpoint. DE plus EF. In two
Yes,
parts
sir.
I'm dividing. So D is what?
D is equal to EF.
D is equal to, yes, DF is equal to
2DE.
DA. So DEF, can I write DE? Why? Because I know that D is equal to EF. Oh, so in place of EF, I could get 2 times of DE. So DF. So DE is equal to what? So what is DF here? DF. So DF is equal to what now? BC. Since I know that DF is equal to BC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Like, why is this midpoint theorem there in quadrilaterals and not in triangles?
Sorry. Why? Because we are getting involved in we are getting involved in parallelogram here, because we are getting involved in a quadrilateral. So while proving that, we are extending and we are getting 4 sides. That is the reason we are getting we are getting involved in quadrilaterals. With the 3 sides, they simply told that DF is parallel to BC and DF will be half of the BC. But proving, coming to the proving, you need to come for the quadrilaterals. For proving itself, you need 4 sides. So with that, if you are not taking that, you will be getting only trapezium. You'll
Okay,
be getting
sir.
only trapezium. So with the trapezium, I don't think so it's possible to prove.
Okay, sir.
And any doubts, children? Make it fast. Haji is waiting. Make it fast. Make it fast. Make it fast. Any doubts here?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. Now shall we have a quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we didn't
Your
try.
wish. Yes, sir. If you're
So 2 quizzes will go with. We'll go with the 2 quizzes, and then probably in next class we'll start with a new chapter in term 2. We'll start with a new chapter. Okay.
Sir, when tomorrow you take the extra class, could you tell like what type of questions could come in the exam?
What type of questions?
Yes,
Yeah,
so the teacher could.
yeah. Actually, that is
Awesome.
completely depends on individual teachers. Say, I mean, Sujay.
Okay, sir.
So my perspective will be different than your teachers, right? So I might give different paper than your teachers. Your teacher might give different than my paper. So it's
Yeah,
completely
okay,
depends
sir.
on individual.
I'll just go through the past papers.
Yeah, exactly. The only thing you need to make sure is thing you need to make sure is you have to go through each and every point. That is the only thing you can make it.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So going through that is not a difficult action. Learn each and every concept. That is it. Yes.
So this is 5th grade.
अयो ये सब 5th grade. Then 5th grade तो आप लोग तो फुटबॉल खेलोगे.
Sir, above that it is 9th grade. Yeah.
Already we wrote beta that one. You want to write the same quiz again
No, sir.
and want to get the first rank? Huh?
No, sir.
Yes, join the quiz quickly. Everyone. Children. Seventeen. I mean, 16 of you should must join actually. 16 members are here, so 16 of you must join.
Sir, my name might show up as Bhargav, but my actual name is Bhargav, sir. So please don't remove me, sir.
Okay. Bhargab, boss, all this.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, this time typo, sir.
That is what you know got habituated to type the name called boss. So you are always getting the Bhargab.
Sir, not that, sir.
Mhm. Okay.
Sir, why
Everyone,
would you type?
12 members. Still 4 members. Who's that? And many of you are joining the class and simply leaving the phone or laptop somewhere and not looking at the class properly. So who has to join still? Akshit, Sujay, Akshit, Kaji,
Sir,
Pranav,
I have joined.
Sujay, Akshit, Partha Hoja, Nitya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Partha Hoja, didn't you join?
I did join, sir.
Nitya, Kavya, Piyush, Ananya, Harini, Devasri, Shreyan, Bhargav, Mohit, Pranav. Harini didn't join. She has joined. Jivika didn't join. Jivika, are you here, Jivika? Aditya didn't join. Aditya Ayushman. Aditya, Jivika, make it fast. Join it quickly. They left their PC. Jivika, are you listening to the class? Aditya, are you listening to the class?
So can we start? We only have 8 minutes left.
Yeah, so please start.
Yes, we'll start. Quick, come on. Guys, let me have some water, please.
Sir, could you end the quiz?
Done. I'm going to wind up the quiz.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes.
Sir, if you ended the quiz 3 minutes ago, I would have been first.
I have to consider each and everyone, making sure they're finishing. Piyush first, Ananya second, Pranav third, Sujay fourth. Very good. Not an issue. Not an issue. Look at this. Let me have. Sujay, still you are 93%, right? I need, see, ranking. You leave about the ranking, please. Leave about the ranking. That is the secondary thing, according to me. Whether are you guys able to make all the questions or not? That is very important. How was the quiz? How was the paper?
Yes, sir, it was hard.
What about others?
Everything's
Yes. So Piyush 100%, Ananya 93%, Pranav. Yes, I could see Piyush. Very good. Congratulations. You done all the questions correct. Great, beta.
Thank you, sir.
93% Ananya. Very good. So Ananya, I think you made 2 questions wrong or 1 question wrong.
One question.
question.
1. Yes. Okay. Pranav 86. Pranav. Very good. Bhargav 93. Bhargav. Sujay 93. Kavya 86. Rayan 66. Tayaba 60, Harini 53, Mohit 53, Devas.
Sir, actually, I was disconnected at last.
Understood,
Five
understood.
questions.
Twice you wrote, yeah, 2 times you wrote. Who is genius? Aditya, that is Bhargav, I think. Okay.
Sir, not me, sir. I didn't
Sir, he's
attend.
the opposite
There's
of his
some
name.
boss candidate fellow. I don't know.
Okay. All right. All right. Not an issue. Paper was, yeah, a bit difficult, I think so. Not an issue. Please go through this all. Okay.
Sir, one question was in our test also, sir. I made mistake, so I made correct here this time.
Okay. 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 Fine. Children, I think, paper, please, if you want, you can go through this. It is freely available. Go through your mistakes and come up with your doubts. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So,
Bye,
guys,
sir.
tomorrow
Thanks.
everyone definitely must join the class. Okay. 10:30 to 11:30. Remember
Okay,
that.
sir.
Okay, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir. Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.